Cause you're the last of a dying breed. What our names in the wet concrete. I wonder if the therapist knows everything about me. I'm here in search of your glory. There's been a million before me that all try kind of love you, never walk away from. You're just the last of the real ones. 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 I am a collapsing star with tunnel vision, but only for you, but only for you. My head is stripped, just like a screw that's been tightened too many times. When I think of you, when I think of you, I will shield you from the waves. If they find you, I will protect you. I will protect you. Just tell me, tell me, tell me, I am the only one, even if it's not true, even if it's not true. Yeah. Cause you're the last of a dying breed. What our names in the wet concrete. I wonder if the therapist knows everything about me. I'm here in search of your glory. There's been a million before me that all try kind of love you, never walk away from. You're just the last of the real ones. 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 You're just the last of the real ones.
Oh my goodness! Wow. Good runway walk, girls. He's just appearing and reappearing all over this place, Simon.
Thank you.
Simon.
Well, I feel I've kind of helped you get to this place. You know, I've
course
been
you did.
constructive, supportive, fair play. I think you put on a great show on a live show. It was a bit corny at times, but maybe that's who you are. But I have no idea how you flew from there to
Simon,
there.
come on.
Simon.
I'm being nice.
That's nice saying
Yeah.
it's corny and that's who you are?
No, but I mean it in a kind of a complimentary way.
Oh, okay.
Because it takes a corny one to know a corny one,
Thank
right?
you, Mel. Thank you, Mel. Howie.
You know, here's where I love the magic. I love the show. I thought you rose to the occasion. The cheesiness was a bit much for me, and it's the ta-da, the dancing. That looked very 80s to me. It looked very 80s.
Maybe that was the style. Howie, I'm very 1940s tonight.
Okay,
Very
but it's
classy.
not cheesy.
Mel.
I didn't think you were cheesy enough. I like it when you're cheesy. I really, really do. But my favourite part was the ending. And are you
Yes.
sure you haven't got a twin?
I'm
I mean,
certain.
that is
I'm certain.
magic.
I mean,
That's
that.
proper magic.